Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to use the Career Development Center's new system called Handshake, which is replacing our old system called Cardinal Connect. This new system will be known just as Handshake, and you can access it in many ways directly from our website. If you log into your SUNY Plattsburgh account, if you look for this icon, it'll log you directly into your account. Once you're logged in, you're going to see this page. It kind of gives you a quick view of some things that are happening within the system. You can see upcoming events, different things like that. You can also view your profile. Your profile is kind of like a LinkedIn profile. You can kind of take a look. You can add work experiences that you've had, organizations you've been a part of, and employers can then see that information if you want to make it public. I'm going to go back to the home page. Again, we're back here. Now, the next thing you're probably going to want to take a look at is the jobs function. So if you look at the jobs, you can do a few different things. May depend all on what you're looking for. So if you're a current student, maybe you're looking for an on-campus job or a part-time job in the local community, you can use this on-campus filter here, and it's going to show you the on-campus jobs that are available. Maybe you want to expand out a little bit and look in the just for part-time jobs. If you remove that on-campus and just search part-time, now it'll show 190 part-time jobs, but not all of these will be close to campus, so you might want to, if you're looking for one in Plattsburgh, you might want to put Plattsburgh, New York, and then you might want to narrow it down to like 15 miles from Plattsburgh. And then it'll show you some others that you can look for and apply for. Now, each of these will have different requirements on how you can apply, but basically you'll want to take a look at what they're looking for, read through the description, and then if it's something of interest to you, click apply. And then when you're applying, it's going to ask you to upload some files. You can upload a resume, you can upload your cover letter. These are required items that the employer is asking for, and a transcript. Once you do all those, the submit application will light up so you can actually submit your application. So that's a great way to start looking for jobs. You can also expand out to look for full-time jobs. We get rid of the part-time, and we could look in New York City, and you'll see there's quite a few jobs in that area. Total, if we remove all the filters, I believe there's over 1,100 jobs in the system right now. So a lot of jobs that you're able to take a look at. I would certainly encourage you to do that. You can also use, if you're going across the top, you go to events, you can see upcoming events that are happening on campus. You can also, I'm not going to dive into these right now, you can certainly play around with them. But if you also go to your Career Center, you can, if you click on your Career Center, you can make appointments. So you can schedule appointments with this. So schedule a new appointment. You can tell us what type of appointment you're looking for, and then it'll walk you through the next stages of scheduling your appointment. If you go back to Career Center, you can also look at resources. So if you go to resources, you can also see some different resources that we have, some different guidebooks, things like that that might be of interest to you. So maybe you're needing help writing your resume. We have some content here, but then if you actually click here, you're going to be able to see our resume guide right through Handshake. So that's something else you can take a look at as well. Going back to the home page, I also want to show you, if you go, this will be your name. I have a test person here, but if you go under your name, you can also look at your profile, but you can also upload documents. And if you upload documents, they will be viewable to the Career Development Center staff, and we can give you feedback. So you can upload a document, select it from your computer, tell us what type of document it is, and then add the document, and we'll take a look at it for you and give you feedback. So I certainly encourage you to do that. From there, there's more in-depth things we can do with the system. If you're interested in kind of learning some more, I would encourage you to make an appointment with us, schedule an appointment, and we'd be happy to walk you through the system a bit more, but wanted to give you a quick introduction to this new system. We at the Career Development Center are very excited about it and hope it will provide a really positive experience, showing students many more jobs than we have in the past. So thank you, and reach out if you have any questions.